sklearn cluster DBSCAN. Description density-based spatial clustering of applications with noise. DBSCAN is a clustering algorithm that groups together points that are closely packed together, points with many neighbors, and marks as outliers points that lie alone in low-density regions called noise. Inputs: data points, a numerical array or matrix representing the data points to be clustered. Apes: the maximum distance between two samples for them to be considered as in the same neighborhood. Minsamples: the minimum number of samples or neighbors in a neighborhood for a data point to be considered as a core point. Outputs: cluster labels, an array of integer labels assigned to each data point indicating its cluster membership. Points belonging to the same cluster have the same label, and noise points are labeled as -1. Noise points: the indices of data points that are classified as noise. Steps: identify core points. A data point is considered a core point if it has at least minsamples points within its Apes neighborhood. Expand clusters for each core point. A cluster is formed by recursively adding all points that are directly density reachable from the core point. Metrics: silhouette coefficient measures the quality of clustering by evaluating how similar a data point is to its own cluster compared to other clusters. Kalinske-Haraba's index measures the ratio of between cluster variance to within cluster variance, with higher values indicating better clustering. Visualization plots: scatter plot with cluster labels, a scatter plot of the data points, color-coded by cluster membership, to visualize the resulting clusters and noise points. Fine-tune parameters: Apes controls the size of the neighborhood and the number of clusters formed. A smaller Apes value leads to more clusters and a larger Apes value leads to fewer clusters. Minsamples controls the density threshold for identifying core points. A larger minsamples value requires a higher density for a point to be considered a core point. Uncertainty methods: probabilistic clustering assigns probabilities to cluster memberships instead of hard assignments. Challenges and fixes: sensitive to Apes and minsamples. Use domain knowledge or visualization to estimate appropriate values for Apes and minsamples. Perform grid search or other parameter tuning techniques to find optimal values. Difficulty finding optimal parameters. Use visualization techniques, e.g., k-distance plot, to help determine appropriate values for Apes and minsamples. Consider using relative neighborhood graphs or other density-based methods for parameter estimation. Cannot handle varying densities. Use local scaling techniques to adjust Apes based on the density of the local region. Consider using hierarchical DBSCAN or other density-based algorithms that can handle varying densities.